Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change app icon on Signal. If you want to customize how Signal looks on your phone, one of the easiest tweaks you can make is changing the app icon. Signal actually includes built-in icon options, so you don't need any third-party apps. So let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Signal app on your phone. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings. So this will open your settings menu. From there, scroll a bit until you find the Appearance option. Then tap on it. Inside Appearance, you'll see setting labeled App Icon. So this is where the customization happens. So tap on App Icon. So you'll be shown a list of available icon styles. These can include different colors, you have themes, minimal versions of the default Signal logo. So just scroll through and pick the one you like. For example, that one, and click on OK. Or I changed my mind, I'm gonna click on this one and click on OK. Once you select an icon, confirm your choice if prompted, and your app icon will immediately change on your home screen. No restart needed. So let's check it out. Let's close Signal. So as you can see, the logo has been changed. So let's open it again. Now, if you're using Android, the process is exactly as described, and you'll usually have more icon choices available depending on your version of Signal. So if you don't see an app icon option at all, don't worry. It usually means your app isn't updated. So just head to App Store, so close Signal and go to App Store, tap on the search bar and type in Signal, open it, and check if there's any updates and update Signal to the latest version. Now, in some cases, older devices or operating systems may not support this feature yet, and that's basically it. In less than a minute, you can give Signal a fresh new look that matches your style or home screen theme. If you want to go even further, you can also use custom launchers on Android or the Shortcuts app on iPhone to create completely custom icons. But that's a bit more advanced. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.